Welcome back to Keeping You Connected, Staten Island and New Jersey living. Are you considering a move to Manalapan, New Jersey, but feeling unsure of which area is right for you? Don't worry, I got you covered. Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker, owner, and founder of Real Connect Realty. And if you're thinking about moving into Jersey in the Manalapan or the surrounding areas in the next 9 or 90 days, give me and my team a call because we cannot wait to help you. All right, let's get into it. Today we're going to explore one of the most enchanting communities in Manalapan, New Jersey, the Meadow Creek community. Nestled in the heart of Monmouth County, Meadow Creek is a testament to luxurious living and modern convenience. This prestigious community is divided into two distinct sections. First, we have the Villages, a collection of elegant townhomes that redefine modern living. Picture yourself in a multi-level townhome complete with 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a gas fireplace that adds warmth to your family gatherings. These homes range anywhere from 1,800 to 2,200 square feet, and they come in 4 distinct models: the Williams, the Temple, the Rutgers, and the Purdue. Imagine your family enjoying the outdoor patio or deck, perfect for those serene evenings. Now let's talk about the estate section, where luxury meets grandeur. With 220 single-family homes, this section offers 7 models to choose from, including the Congressional, the Roosevelt. Each home boasts a grand foyer, formal living and dining rooms, and family rooms that can feature an optional fireplace. The kitchens, they're nothing short of spectacular. These homes are a haven for elegance and comfort. But Meadow Creek just isn't about the homes, it's about the lifestyle. The clubhouse is a hub of activity, featuring the fitness center, meeting rooms, game rooms, and even a small bar area. And then outside you have a large swimming pool, a kiddie pool, a pergola area, and numerous lounges. And for my fitness buddies out there and outdoor lovers, Meadow Creek offers a walking path, basketball and tennis courts, and a playground. And let's not forget about the vibrant community life with activities like yoga and Zumba. And there is a much anticipated annual summer bash at Meadow Creek. These properties were built between 2006 and 2012. The townhomes in Meadow Creek are priced between $400 and $699, and the single-family homes are priced between $8 and $1.2. There is 520 homes in this entire development. Let's take a drive and I'm going to show you the area. That is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Meadow Creek in Manalapan, New Jersey. Remember, if you're considering moving in the next 9 to 90 days, don't hesitate to reach out to me and my team at Real Connect Realty. We cannot wait to help you. For more updates and tours just like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Keeping You Connected, Staten Island and New Jersey living. And don't forget to hit that notification button. We cannot wait to help you on your real estate journey. See you in the next video, and as always, stay connected.